Hey guys, welcome back to Crafting AVN. Just thought I'd share a few details about the secondary offering I made for the Moukey MTs10-2 Karaoke machine, for those of you who may be interested. So let's get right to it. If you clicked on this video, then chances are you've been using the Moukey MTs10-2 Karaoke machine. And just like with me, your microphone holder probably broke on you at some point. Well, using CAD software and 3D printing, I have created another generic replacement mic holder for this karaoke machine. One of the key benefits for this design is that once the mic is placed in the holder it is in, you cannot push it any further, which may decrease your chances of breaking the mic holder in the future. Not to mention, some of you may actually prefer this look over my previous offering. The same functionality still exists with this design, so when it's time for you to sing, you can easily remove the mic from the holder and fold it inward, and when you are ready to take a break from singing, you can fold the mic holder back outward and place the mic back in. I recommend you give it a consideration if you are in need of a microphone replacement holder for your Moukey machine. It is important to note that this is not by any means an official Moukey part, and I am not affiliated with Moukey in any way. My family loves our karaoke machine, and I saw an opportunity to make an improvement to a device that gets a lot of use, and hopefully in the future we don't break any more pieces. If you are interested in purchasing this part, take a look at the description section. I'm selling two variants. The version covered in this video is for the fully rounded mic holder and comes as a quantity of 2, so if you buy one, you're actually buying 2 parts. Make sure to read the description listing very carefully before making a purchase. At this time, shipping is US only, but do know international is on my mind for those interested in something I may explore in the future. Now, looking at the part closely in terms of visual quality, the original Moukey part is superior. The replacement part that I created does not compare visually, but without a doubt the same functionality is there, as demonstrated throughout this video. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the chat, or you could actually reach out to us on the platform the part is being sold. I'll do my best to get to them at my earliest convenience, and again, thank you for watching this video.